Welcome back to Heaven of Aromas. Today we are going to talk about a nebulizing diffuser which I have purchased from Organic Aromas. It's a nebulizing diffuser for aromatherapy. So let's see what's inside this box. As we open, the first thing what we get here is a manual. So if you are not aware of how to use these nebulizing diffusers, going through this manual will be very helpful for you. And here we have in this beautiful packet Organic Aromas. This is a base of this nebulizer made of wood which is blonde in color, and below this we have a mat which will keep it firm and it will not slip. We have these two droppers, and we have this which goes up here. We have a charger, and we also have one signature blend which is free essential oil which comes along with this diffuser. And what we have here is a lid which goes on top of this. So let me assemble this and show you how this actually works. You don't need to add water in this because this is a nebulizing diffuser. So benefit of this is it's not like other low quality diffuser where you need to add in a lot of water and then essential oil. So what you are dispensing in air with this are pure essential oils which are at its strongest. So I am going to use my own essential oils and not this one because this is the one I will like to use right now. You can use this dropper and pour little essential oils in this. I am not going to use this dropper because I already have a dropper here. If you don't have a dropper, then you can use this dropper or you can use your own. Drop these essential oils in 3, 4 and 5. For the sake of the video, I'll keep it short. This is rose, by the way, what I am using right now, and I'll connect with the charger. This is a touch screen sensor. It is not a button. As soon as I touch on it, it will just turn on. And this is a knob. First I need to turn this knob on, and this is on. As you can see, it creates a little bit of noise, but that's tolerable. And this is a lid which minimizes the mist output from this. And there are 3 lights in this. We can call it RGB, red, green, blue, and the diffuser looks beautiful. And this is one of the most amazing and the most powerful diffuser I have ever used till now. And maybe this is the strongest available in market. Now I'd like to tell you about the best feature about this is you have a knob from where you can control the intensity. Now this is in the minimum. I rotate this to the right and you will control the intensity of how you want it to be. But this essential oil diffuser is so strong that you will have no need to keep it on the full. When I am using it myself, I keep it at the lowest or sometimes in the medium, not more than that. And this has a feature which is an auto shut off feature in every 2 hours, which means if you are using this for 2 hours, this diffuser will stop working after 2 hours, and then after 2 hours it will again start working. So it repeats itself after every 2 hours, which is again unique feature in this diffuser. But you don't need to use it for 2 hours even, because the essential oils which are diffusing from this are so concentrated and so strong. You just need to use it for a couple of minutes and then turn it off. That's what I do. So when we look at the cost, this diffuser is little bit expensive, not just little bit, way more expensive than other diffusers available in market. But this is not one of those cheap quality diffusers. You can own this. Looks beautiful, the blonde color, it goes along with my desk, and within 5 minutes your entire house will be full of essential oils, and these are pure essential oils without mixed with water. So I would highly recommend, if you have a couple of extra bucks, do invest in this diffuser. You will not regret it. I have bought one for myself and I am planning one for my office too. This is all about this nebulizing diffuser. If you have any questions, comments, feedback, do post in the comment sections below, and do subscribe to my channel so that I can keep making such videos for you. I'll see you in the next video.